Hello and welcome back to the channel for a very special video. If you are new here, my name is Josh, this is Babe, and we do barbecue and Ninja Foodie indoor kitchen gadgets and griddle and restaurant reviews and pretty much just anything centered around food and me getting fatter.
No.
Yeah, babe.
No, babe. Food and fun.
Food, fun, and fatness.
No.
Yeah, babe. So today we are going to be making some amazing ribeye steaks outside on the S&S Kettle's grill. We're going to be using the Slow and Sear Jealous Devil charcoal. Of course, it's amazing. And these steaks are going to be even more special because we are using a really good rub by Postal Barbecue. Yes, babe, the Mad Cow Rub. This is our second order of it, actually. You can go to postalbarbecue.com and check that out. It's actually a very good steak rub. It's called the Mad Cow Rub. He has a chicken rub and an all-purpose rub, but this rub is really, really good for steaks. So we're gonna get this on the ribeyes. We're gonna do a reverse sear outside on the kettle. We're gonna sear them off over the Jealous Devil charcoal, and it is going to be scrumptious. All right, babe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? All right. All right, and here we go. Okay, babe, you got your Mad Cow Rub?
Yes, are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
These steaks look good, and they actually were not that expensive. They're kind of thin, so we don't have to go too heavy, but nice looking ribeyes, boneless ribeyes. I think it's gonna be good.
I think so too.
Good.
Get a little on the sides. We just want it everywhere. I don't want to waste more than one glove, babe, because...
Gloves are expensive?
Because you make me wear big ones, and somebody finally sent me small ones.
Yes, those are the Max Diesel. I believe they're Golden Protective Services or something like that on Instagram.
Yeah.
But yeah, they sent us an awesome pair of gloves that actually fit Babe.
Yeah, I don't want to waste them. So I'm only using one, if people are wondering.
All right, babe, we'll let those chill there, and we'll go outside and we'll get the kettle set up.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just talk briefly about how we're going to set up our S&S Kettle's grill today. Obviously, we're going to be using the Slow and Sear, we're going to be using the Drip and Griddle, and we're going to be using the Easy Spin Grate. I filled up my Slow and Sear full of Jealous Devil Max Briquette charcoal. You know that we love that charcoal. Their Max Briquettes are fantastic. So we filled up the Slow and Sear with the Max Briquettes. I put a fire cup in one corner. I lit that fire cup. I'm just going to let that one little corner get rolling, and then I'm going to set my bottom vent to about a pencil width open. I'm going to set my top vent about a pencil width open, maybe a little smaller on both. Keep the lid on, and I'm going to run this kettle at about 275 degrees. I'm shooting for that. I'm going to put the steaks on the indirect side over the Drip and Griddle. I'm going to be monitoring temperatures with my Thermoworks Thermapen One. Once I get to an internal of about, I like about 115 because we like to go for the medium rare look. And then I'm going to get those coals nice and hot, that Jealous Devil nice and hot. I'm going to sear the steaks. I'm going to let them rest on the end grain cutting board, slice into them, and we are going to have amazing ribeye steaks using that Postal Barbecue rub. Okay, babe, so we're up to about 275 degrees.
Yes. Ooh, I'm very excited to use this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, babe. I'm just going to barehand it.
Barehand it, babe.
Barehand it.
Barehand it. So we'll let those roll for a little while, and then we'll start checking temperatures, right, babe?
That's right.
All right.
I'm excited.
Okay, so I just wanted to take a little break from the video and talk to you guys about something important, but also really, really cool. So back in October of 2020, unfortunately, I was diagnosed with stage 4 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And from October of 2020 and until the end of May 2021, I spent a total of 9 weeks in the hospital. And unfortunately, due to the situation in the world, I wasn't allowed to have any visitors. So that gave me a lot of time to think and to set goals and try to remain positive and all that good stuff. And I remember when I was laying out all my goals, like growing my eyebrows back, beating cancer, and I remember setting a goal in January of 2021 that on Babe and my YouTube channel here, that we would hit 10,000 subscribers. And we are so blessed to work with some amazing companies that want to help us not only achieve that goal, but want to give back to our fans and our subscribers and to bring a little bit of holiday cheer. So we're doing a giveaway. Okay, entering the giveaway is super, super easy. It doesn't cost any money. All you have to do is live in the United States. You got to do 2 things. 1, you got to share this video. video. Right below where I'm talking, there's a little button that says share. Hit that button. There's going to be a number of options on how to share it, or it says copy video link. You could copy the video link. You could share it somewhere. Now, I know what you're saying. Josh, if I share the video out, it's going to decrease my chances because more people are going to leave comments and so on and so forth. And that is, yes, that is true. Potentially it is going to decrease your chances of winning. But in the spirit of the holiday giving season and paying it forward, wouldn't it be nice if you shared the video and then your friend saw it and your friend won the giveaway because of you? I think that would feel pretty good. And we're all about positivity, healing, getting better. So share the video, then come back to this video and leave a comment for us where you shared the video. I shared the video on Facebook. I shared the video on Twitter, wherever that may be. And then the second part of that same comment is, what type of grill do you own? Do you own a Trig or pellet smoker? Do you own a Weber kettle, an S&S kettle? Do you own an Oklahoma Joe offset? Whatever type of grill you own, I want to hear what kind of grill you own, and I want to hear what type of Jealous Devil would work best for you, the Max, the Chunks, or the Jacks. And I would also like to hear what color Thermapen One that you would like. They have a variety of colors. You got to check out their website. Again, we picked the yellow one because I think it's cool, but they have a ton of different colors. So anyways, your comment on this video, where you shared it, what kind of grill you have, what kind of fuel you're burning, what you prefer, and what color is your favorite color of the Thermapen. And on November 30th, Babe and I are going to go YouTube Live on this channel. We're going to use a random comment picker. We're going to pick the comment. We're going to make sure it covers all that things, that you shared it, that you talk about your grill, you talk about Jealous Devil, you talk about what color you like, and then one lucky person is going to get shipped from those companies, Jealous Devil, right to your door in the United States, and from Thermoworks, right to your door in the United States. Hopefully, by Christmas, you will have yourself an awesome instant read thermometer, and you'll have yourself a brand new bag of fuel. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping us almost to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're about 2,000 away. That was my goal to hit by the end of the year. That's the goal I set in January when I was in the hospital, and we're so close. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Now, with that being said, you're in the middle of the video. If you made it this far, we got to finish this cook. So let's get back to it. Okay, babe. It's been 20 minutes.
Yes. Are you ready to check on them?
Yeah, babe. What do we got?
123.
Okay. 124. Probably in the little tip it's going to be higher.
133.
Oh, then they're done. Ready to sear. We went a little bit over, but that's okay.
131. They're good.
Yeah. So let's leave the lid open and let's get these coals nice and hot, and then we'll sear it, and then we're going to let it rest, and then it's eat time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me show you how the steak looks. I think I overshot it a little bit. It's more of a medium. Babe likes it.
I like medium.
I like more medium rare. So anyways, I already know how Jabin Postal's rub tastes because, like I said, this is our second bottle. But we're going to do a taste test for you anyways.
Okay.
And it is so good.
Can I put a piece up to the camera?
Oh, yeah. Show the folks, babe. Show the folks. Yeah. Show the folks. Oh, babe, you need a big bite like that. Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, baby. I like this rub. Because it has a great salt to it, but on his Mad Cow rub, he puts more heat in it.
I
think it's probably more pepper.
Yeah. It's
but
very good.
It's perfect on for steak. It's fantastic for steak.
Good. Yeah. I love it. I haven't even had red meat in like
a while.
Wow. That was really good.
That was really good.
You did good, babe.
Super simple.
Like always.
Ribeye steak. Great new kettle. Great rub. All the fun and games.
And good luck.
And good luck. And we appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To the top tier channel members, thank you. All the channel members, thank you guys for helping our channel grow throughout this whole entire year.
Oh, yes.
It means a lot to us. And yeah, we will see you on the next video. Coming soon.
Very soon.
Very soon. All right. See ya.
Bye.